Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing great and welcome back to another Amazon haul video. This time I got so many kurtis, like so many of it. So let's start with today's video. I'm gonna bifurcate this video into two categories. First will be 3-piece set and other will be kurtis. So I've got like 3-piece set मैंने काफ़ी मंगाए हैं, like अनारकली kind of, and then cord set, and then this just college types kurti. So let's start with the 3-piece set first. So first is this very beautiful mustard yellow color anarkali kurti. My sister has this similar kind of kurti which she got from Irla market, and that was for 1500, and this kurti is for just 781. Can you believe this is half of the price and the quality is exact same. सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ का डिफरेंस है कि this is plain here and she had some stones over there. That's it. The neckline is deep V neck and neckline पे ये फैब्रिक का ही डिज़ाइन बनाया गया है एंड घेरा इसका एज सच इतना ज़्यादा है नहीं, काफ़ी कैजुअल वेयर डेली वेयर के लिए बहुत अच्छा है ये. एंड स्लीव्स इसकी इज़ 3/4. इसके साथ आपको एक पैंट भी मिलेगी विच इज़ कॉन्ट्रास्ट में है थोड़ा इसके डिज़ाइंस, नॉट द फैब्रिक. फैब्रिक इज़ सेम एंड यू कैन सी इट इज़ ए प्लाजो काइंड ऑफ, नॉट पैंट. एंड आजकल प्लाजोज बहुत चल रहे हैं. एंड लुक एट द कलर इज़ सो प्रिटी. ऑल्सो इट कम्स विद दिस दुपट्टा एज वेल जो कि बहुत ही प्यारा कॉटन का है. ओवरऑल दिस कुर्ती इज़ परफेक्ट फॉर योर ऑफिस, योर पूजा और इवन चिलिंग आउट एट होम. दिस इज़ फ्रॉम द ब्रांड गो सिरकी. मेरी एक्चुअली सारी कुर्तियाँ ना इसी ब्रांड से है बिकॉज दे हैव गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ कुर्तीज़. ऑल्सो वन मोर थिंग इज़ दैट कि इनका साइजेज इज़ अवेलेबल टिल 5XL. So if you are like very healthy, so you can get your size there. Secondly, the fabric is rayon, which is a good fabric. Rayon ज़्यादा फटता नहीं है if I'm not wrong, and it has so many color options. So I got another one in red color. Like सब कुछ everything is same, the print is same, the fabric is same, the dupatta is same, just the red color. I thought it will come like maroonish red color, but it's very bright red, so I don't know if it will look good on me. I'll think I'm gonna give it to my sister. Price तो same ही है 781 for one kurti set, so I got these two. And these kind of anarkalis look so effortlessly beautiful. Next is one of my favorite kurti, which is this. It's in sage green color. I love this. It has the, मुझे सिर्फ इसको दुपट्टे से देख के प्यार हुआ था. Look at the dupatta. It's in organza, but the color is so damn pretty. Also, if you see दुपट्टे के साइड में it has cutout वाला pattern, and the best thing is that कि जो इसमें embroidery है, it is the thread. Oh yes, wow. So it doesn't look cheap at all. You can see तो कैमरा फोकस ना हो रहा है मेरे. यू कैन सी इट लुक सो एफर्टलेसली ब्यूटीफुल. उसके अंदर भी छोटी छोटी बूटी बनी हुई है. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द कुर्ता. आई मीन जस्ट लुक एट इट. द एम्ब्रॉयडरी, द स्लीव्स, द दुपट्टा, और पैंट तो अच्छी आती है वैसे भी. इट हैज़ लाइक बटन पीछे से सो दैट कि यू कैन वेयर इट ईजीली. इफ़ यू सी इट हैज़ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल वर्क ऑन द नेक. काफ़ी मतलब भरा हुआ एम्ब्रॉयडरी वर्क है एंड ऑल ओवर कुर्ती में भी बहुत सारा छोटी छोटी बूटीज़ बनी हुई है विच लुक सो एलिगेंटली ब्यूटिफुल. आई जस्ट लव दिस काइंड ऑफ नेकलाइन विच हैज़ छोटा सा कटआउट. The fabric of this is silk blend. It looks so expensive when you wear this. I mean, just look at this. I'm wearing this dupatta and I look expensive. Also, it has 3 color options, so this is the best thing. तीनों ही कलर बहुत ही ज़्यादा pretty है and सबकी लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगी, so you guys can go and check out from there. So the price of it is 1329, which I think of this quality is decent. You can wear this in any शादी का literally जो पूजा छोटा मोटा फंक्शन होता है, you can wear this. This looks so damn pretty. This is one of my favorite kurti so far. Oh yeah, this is from the brand Cyril. I guess I'm pronouncing it right. It's SIRIL, and they have sizes up to 2XL. So let's move on to the next. Next is again from the brand Go Sirki, and I got one in black color. I don't have much kurtis in black color, and it looks so pretty in the pictures, but I'm dicey about this because it's too, the color blocking isn't looking that good. It has the same V neckline. I'm a fan of V neckline, so don't judge me on that, okay? And V necklines looks good on every body type, I feel so. Again, it has sizes up till 5XL, and there were no color option of this. It has these flower block prints all over the kurti, and neck पे अलग से lace design बनाई हुई है. Sleeves पे भी वही same design है, and it's a straight fit regular kurta. It looks nice though. Black color looks good on everyone. But the only thing is that कि मुझे इसका print इतना खास नहीं लगा. I feel कि ये wash के साथ ना निकल जाएगा. It comes with this pant. I like this pant कि ये ना काफ़ी अलग सा यूनिक सा कॉन्सेप्ट दिया है इन्होंने. ब्लैक कुर्ती के नीचे पोल्का डॉट की पैंट. I love the दुपट्टा. दुपट्टा इज नॉर्मल शिफॉन एंड इट हैज़ दिस ओवरऑल प्रिंट, छोटी छोटी बूटी बनी हुई है एंड बॉर्डर पे ये है. तो दुपट्टा इज़ वेरी नाइस एंड इट लुक्स गुड. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट it doesn't look good. It looks good पहनने के बाद, but it doesn't feel good. I just see I've just did this and it's falling off. The white dot जो भी इस पे, these are falling off. I'm saying you after washing this ना, it will fall off. See, you can see. I'm just gonna show you right now only. See, you can see this white. Yeah, so this falls off. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it or not. Okay, the price is $699. Next is again and the last 3-piece set. Okay, so this is the set. Just look at the color. Picture पे this color was so elegant, so wow. ये आया क्या color है? It's the cream color and the bad cream, not good cream. Cream gap. First of all, there were no color options. सिर्फ एक ही color था and it looked so beautiful on the model. Second of all, it's pricier. It's 1,049 rupees for this kurti. I think इन्होंने ना सिर्फ fabric का लिया है because the fabric is चंदेरी cotton. Good. Well, the kurti is very pretty. It has again the V neck, which is my favorite. मतलब थोड़ा सा अगर थोड़ा सा लाइट कलर होता ना तो ये भाई ये बहुत ही प्यारी लगती है. I wish I could add little bit of white into it. It has overall this embroidery का काम है. It's a machine work, not the hand work, not at all. जरी भी है. There is the designs and everything. It looks so pretty. Sleeves पे भी दोनों साइड है, but बैक साइड पे कोई भी नहीं है एंड इट्स बिट ट्रांसपेरेंट एज यू कैन सी. पीछे का दिख रहा है. सो यस, यू हैव टू वेयर समथिंग इनसाइड ऑफ इट. इट कम्स विद दिस पैंट विच इज़ अगेन आई गेस सिल्क वाला ये फैब्रिक है. it's nice only, and the dupatta is so pretty. It is chanderi cotton and look at the dupatta looks nice only, but just the color. Dupatta is so pretty. इसके सेंटर में कुछ नहीं है बट बॉर्डर में ही इतना कुछ दे दिया है, सो सेंटर में देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एंड इट इज़ अगेन फ्रॉम द ब्रांड गो सिरकी. मूविंग ऑन विद द कॉर्ड सेट या कुर्ती सेट, आप कुछ भी बोल लो, बट इसमें दुपट्टा नहीं है. सो दिस इज़ द कॉर्ड सेट एंड आई गॉट इट फॉर लाइक माई ऑफिस वेयर. इट हैज़ दिस कट हियर बट इट्स नॉट स्ट्रेट. इट इज़ बिट ऑफ अनारकली टाइप, यू नो, अम्ब्रेला थोड़ा सा इफेक्ट दिया है. एंड इट हैज़ बटन आगे ऑल ओवर में. आई एम नॉट दिस बटन वाला फैन, but I got this because of the print. The print is so good. The fabric is pure cotton. It's giving, you know, very office kind of vibe. It has collar. It has this sleeves पे this cuff with button. Looks so pretty. Also the pant is also so good. It's a bit different in design जो कुर्ती पे है, but they both complement each other very beautifully. So this is from the brand Raitras. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. And the price of this is $699, which is decent. There was no other color options available. This is the only piece, and this brand has sizes up till 3XL. Moving ahead with just the kurtis, I got few kurtis for, you know, daily wear or to the people who goes to college and have DC vibe, so can wear these kurtis. So these are the 3 kurtis and all 3 are from Max. Let's move on with this blue kurti first. I just love the color of it, and जो color blocking की गई है इस पे, you see it has, I don't know what do we call, but thread का work done so beautifully on this. And वही same work, you know, overall यहाँ पे स्ट्रेट लाइन बनी हुई है. एंड देन स्लीव्स पे इट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एम्ब्रॉयडरी एंड इट इज़ द स्लीव्स जो थोड़ी सी बलून वाली होती है ना, वो वाली स्लीव्स है. एंड इसकी प्राइस वॉज 679. मैक्स थोड़ा सा कॉस्टलियर साइड में होता है ये वैसे भी. And it has one more color option which is beige or white, I'm not sure, but yeah, it's very lightish. I think that was off white. And they have sizes available till 2XL, and the fabric of this is cotton blend, which is quite decent. थोड़ा सा transy है, but if you'll wear it on the body उतना लगेगा नहीं. So yeah, this is again not, this is straight only la. Yeah, this is again regular straight fit kurta. This is another kurti. It's again from the Max, as I said. And look at this, it's so pretty. It's giving very cottage vibe. It has again the balloon sleeves, and jo kaam hai na bhai, that is so pretty. Jo neck pe the detailing, everything is so cute. And the fabric is cotton, काफ़ी soft वाला cotton है. That was not that soft, but this is so soft. It also has one color option available, which was pink. Yeah, and it's perfect for your casual and office wear. Thank you. So it's perfect for your casual and office wear. Looks so decent and classy. And did I set the price? Let me tell you again. The price of this is 699. Let's move on to the last kurti of this haul, which is this. It's so damn cute. मतलब सभी प्यारी लग रही है मुझे, but yeah. This, why is it open? Okay, so yeah, you can wear it as shirt as well. It was, मैंने इसको धो लिया था, so इसके लिए शायद yeah. Oh wow, this is so cute. You can wear it as your shirt as well. सारे बटन इसके खुलते हैं. It is again has this balloon sleeve, and इस पे print हुआ है, and the color is so cutie. Currently it's unavailable, so I don't know इसकी details वगैरह क्या है. The fabric looks the same, and the price might be under 700 only. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you liked the kurti. If you did, तो सबकी link description में दे दी है, so you guys can go and check it out. Yeah, I guess that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and we'll meet in next video. Till then, bye bye.